Hi friends, what's cooking Coco here? What we're going to do is we're gonna whip together a yummy dinner. I'm gonna show you how to make taquitos. So this is what we're gonna need. We're gonna need some garlic, okay? Right here, 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna chop it up. We're gonna need some cilantro, some onion. We're going to need some chicken. And then what we're gonna do with the chicken is we're gonna shred it up, okay? And then we're gonna need some potato, okay? Just like that. So let's get started. Take my garlic and we're gonna go ahead and just chop that up really quick and roughly, okay? Y'all know how to chop garlic. It's not that hard, pretty simple. Just like that. And we're gonna do 2 of those, okay? Some extra virgin olive oil, and we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle it in there in that pan. Let's say about, let's do 3-4 tablespoons, okay? Go ahead and dump our onion in there. Chopped onion. Maybe about half an onion chopped. Then you're gonna throw in your garlic, just like that, okay? Okay, so I have boiled some potato. I took the skin off and boiled it. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cube our potato. We know that it's not gonna be pretty because it's already cooked, and look at mine, it's still steaming because it just came out from being boiled, just like that. And we're gonna probably do 2, okay? Take my chicken breast and just go ahead and shred it along. Now that our oil and our garlic and onions are already nicely softened, we're just gonna go ahead and throw in our chicken breast that we shredded up nicely there. Cook this because we want to make this juicy, okay? We want it to have some flavor as we put into our tortillas to make taquitos, okay? We're gonna add some salt, okay? Add about maybe like a tablespoon of salt, okay? Throw in our chopped potato, okay? Don't smash, we're just gonna fold in, okay? Don't stir it, just fold it in. We're gonna take our cilantro and we're just gonna put, okay, that's about 1 chopped cilantro, just the leaves, not the stem. I use the stem for salsa and stuff, but this one is just the leaves, okay? We are looking like we are done. So now we're gonna go ahead and taste it because we always have to make sure that our seasonings are on point. Great. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and start assembling our taquitos. You take a little bit of that mixture and you put it in the middle, okay? Spread it out just a little bit, not too much of it, okay? We don't need to make them super fat, just like that, okay? And then all we do is we take it and you just roll it. Squeeze, push, roll. Then you grab your toothpick. You put your toothpick in just like that, okay? You just leave it there because we're gonna put 2 to 1. Now that we've got these all nicely rolled out, we're just gonna go ahead and place them in. And the oil is hot, just like that, okay? We're just gonna let them fry. 3 to 4 minutes. And it should, once it gets nice and brown, then that's when we know it's done. Okay, they look nice and done. They are golden brown, just like that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. And then we'll start with the next batch, and then we're done. We're gonna plate, taste, and then we're done. It's that simple, guys. All right, guys, so this is exactly what it looks like. I added some cilantro, some beans, some onion, some crema, cheese, and my salsa. And let's just give it a taste. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is gonna be so yummy. Look at how pretty it is, okay? Wow. This is how you make chicken taquitos at home. Guys, you have to try this recipe. It's so simple and so easy. Don't bother going to a restaurant, just do it at home. Thanks for joining me again in my kitchen. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.